Hi, I'm David, and this is Gregor. We're from Technical Marketing at Aerohive Networks, and we're here to talk about another cooperative control protocol, DXNP, Dynamic Extensions Networking Protocol. Gregor, what's the main purpose of DXNP?
Layer 3 roaming. So the case for layer 3 roaming, you will see it in bigger networks where you have users using something like voice over IP or any real-time application, and they're going in between different networks, as in different layer 3s. And the way that IP works is if you change the IP, well, your call, what does that do for your call?
Well, during a voice call, it would drop.
It will drop. So people would not be happy with this, so we'd have to have a way of having the voice being continued even when we cross
the routing
boundaries.
Right.
So, and this is what the protocol does. How does it do it?
So basically we build GRE tunnels from one subnet to another. So when a client roams across a routed boundary, we'll have one of our APs build a GRE tunnel back to an original subnet from where that client was originally at.
Right. So do we have any concentrator in the original subnet? Is it the access point that the device was roaming from?
No, not necessarily at all. As a matter of fact, all our tunneling is distributed, and it's, not only is it dynamic, it happens when the client roams across routed boundaries, but it's also distributed. So you might have 30 clients roam across a routed boundary, and then these dynamic tunnels are built on the fly, and then they're distributed among the original subnet, so there's not a bottleneck on any one single
So
AP.
if you have 100 access points on the original subnet, you have 100 potential endpoints.
Right, so it's not a single endpoint, it's multiple endpoints, and each AP can actually handle up to 128 tunnels. So it's a lot of, it's not a bottleneck, which is the main point.
Right. So how about the persistency of the tunnels? Do we have to do anything about them?
They can remain persistent as long as the call is up, but we do have a way, as for example, if a voice call ends, that we can basically kill the tunnel and send a deauth frame to the voice client and have the voice client associate on the new subnet when it's not during a call.
This sounds pretty awesome, but also complicated. So is the configuration complicated?
It's a checkbox.
It's a checkbox. So this is the purpose of the cooperative control and the tunneling protocol specific to the layer 3 roaming. It's a checkbox. Yes, there's a lot of things going on. Yes, we take care of the redundancy and everything else just by clicking the checkbox. Thanks for watching.